Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Hafiz, and first of all, thank you so much for watching this video. For those who still not subscribe my channel, please do so. This is what keeps me motivated every day to produce more videos in the future. Thank you so much. Today is our first lesson of Python 101. There are two things we will cover today, which is the print function and a very simple mathematics operations. Basically, print function is a command that we use to produce an output on our display devices. The output can be in terms of strings, data, or variables. Okay, let's start. For this video, I'm using Python 3.8.2 as you can see on the screen right now, and I believe this is the latest version of Python that you can download from their website. And in order to use the print function, it's very simple. You just need to type in print, open bracket, close bracket, and if you want to use string, inside the bracket you need to put double quotation mark. Okay, so as you see on the screen, I have entered today is our first lesson about Python 101. So as what you see on the screen, whatever I type inside the double quotation mark will become our output. If you notice, there are multiple color codes that you can see on the screen right now when you type in your commands. Okay, for more details about the color codes, please refer to Python documentation. To those who are still new in Python programming, please start now and get yourself familiar with the print function. It will help you a lot later. Alright, we are done with print function. Now let's move to the numbers, mathematics. So as we all know, Python is intelligent programming language compared to other programming languages. And if you can see in the screen right now, when I type 5 times 5, Python can understand the same expected output that we expect. Okay, and also times divided by 5 become 2. So it's very simple mathematics, yet it can be understood by Python programming. Okay, other than numbers, actually Python also can understand, can read variables that we define, such as on the screen right now, I type a equals to 5, b equals to 10. Not just that, I also can add both of them together. So when I type a plus b, it can produce the output 15, and b minus a equals to 5, a times b equals to 50, and b divided by a equals to 2. That's great. That's how Python do. Alright, now we want to combine all together that we have learned since the beginning of this video. So right now I am define a equals to 5, b equals to 10. When I type print a without quotation mark inside the bracket, you will produce 5, print b equals to 10, and also print a plus b equals to 15. That is expected. However, if we print a plus b with the double quotation mark inside the bracket, it will produce a string which is a plus b. Okay, we have finished our first lesson. We will continue the next lessons in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and thank you so much for watching. I'm Hafiz from MyFlexIT.